Hey, welcome to this channel. My name's Oliver, and today we're gonna have another trading session on a platform called Quotex, where I trade with binary options. And let's start with the video of today. And today we're starting with $94, and we're gonna go ahead and use Keltner channel and MACD. Let's make our first option, and it's going to be a call option for 94 and 1 minute. And don't forget to subscribe, like and comment as usual, and in the description to this video you can find all the necessary information, like link to the platform Quotex where I trade, and also an invitation link to a Telegram group where me and my team we share a lot of useful info for your trading in general, for your experience in trading, and also specifically with binary options, as well as signals with which you can earn on a daily basis. So go ahead and check that out, and let's go back to our video, to our session of today. Let's have a look how that's doing. And here is the first profit, guys, 177.66. So the next option is going to be 177, and here we are going to make a change. See, that's actually growing, so maybe if I had a bit more time it wouldn't be so volatile, because the trend is actually quite strong, the bullish trend, so that's a good indication. See that the Keltner channels higher line, the green one, is acting here as a resistance level actually. Okay, 174, and let's see, shall we go to a different one or shall we just stay here? Okay, let's go to a different one maybe. This one here has a nice bearish indication, so let's just go ahead and jump into this one. There's a little slight pullback as well, maybe it can help us, but generally, yeah, we broke the Keltner channels lines, which are acting as a resistance level, so therefore that's a pretty strong pullback. Let's hope it doesn't ruin everything. Okay, let's wait for the rest of the time to finish. And here is the profit of this one, 330. And the next one is going to be 330, for example. Okay, shall we change this currency? Okay, over here we have yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go with the put option here, and the trend is actually pretty bearish, so let's go with the trends, and let's wait for the result of this one. And here is the profit of this one, 618 on our balance, guys. This is the profit for today already. We started with 94, so that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and let's go ahead, 618, change the currency, look for some nice patterns. For example, here I'm gonna go ahead and do with the indication of MACDs, the two lines, one crossing down the other line. Also with the Keltner channel, we see that the top line of the Keltner is acting as a resistance level from which we're gonna bounce off and try to break down through the middle line, which is now acting as a support level. And therefore, and it works like this. If we break it down, it's gonna become a resistance level. So let's see the result. Here is the next profit, 1,155. This is a really nice one already. We're making already 10x on our balance. Okay, the next one is going to be a $1,000 option, and 1,000 there. Let's just maybe this currency here. Oh, that's a good one. Let's go with the. Actually, it had. It's a really nice situation here. So this bullish trend, we're gonna go ahead with the call option with the trend. But basically, there is a pullback here that we just made our option in. It's like an interest zone, so like the point of interest, and from there I'm expecting the price to rise basically. But also we're on the level of resistance. This is a major resistance level here, so it's an interesting one. Let's wait for the result because I'm excited to see how that turns out, because there's a few factors. I'm not sure even well, no, I can see that the our option is correct, but then in general, here we are, and it's profit. But in general, where is this going? Is it gonna break through this major resistance line? Is it gonna go ahead and create new maximums? What's gonna happen with this asset here? Because right now it looks like it's creating new maximums. It's breaking through the major resistance level. Looks great. We're now able to make a $2,000 option. Let's go and change this. Alright, so here we are at some maximums here actually. And we're gonna go ahead and go into short, because here it doesn't look like a strong trend anymore. So the idea here is that it starts losing its power. People start selling it instead of, it's overbought. So people start selling it. People start cashing in profits as they bought it when it was cheaper and it gained in price. People cashing in their profits, and the asset basically starts losing the value, and we have the new trends forming. This is how the trends are forming. So the majority of people, they're selling when the price go up. They're selling, and then they're buying when the prices go down again. Okay, so here we have our profits, 3,826 in total on our balance. The next option can be a $3,000 option, and we're gonna do that. So let's go ahead and go to the next currency. Let's have a look. Down there. Okay. Actually, here we have a... I'm gonna go ahead and into short 3,000, and everything looks as a bear. Everything looks like as a bearish mood, and we're not gonna invent stuff. We're just gonna go in with this trend, or forming trend. Let's say it's not there yet. I mean, in the bigger picture there is a bearish trend, but it looked like it was actually change of the direction of the trend, but now again it's going down, so I guess not yet. Okay, let's wait for the result of this one and we'll see. Here is the profit. Oh, actually no, what happened is draw. We didn't get the profit. We got our money back though. That's pretty good. So we're just gonna go ahead and re-enter with the same intention. Oh, and then the price started going up. We have the same intention. Let's see if that works out for today. But yeah, let's go ahead and hope this works out. Here is the profit. This time it worked out. This time it's a correct one. Okay, so the next option is going to be shall we go to the different currency? How about this one? Maybe we go ahead and do a call option here. 1, 2, 3. And let's wait for the result. Basically, there is a bullish trend and I just went with it. So it is a bit risky this late. It's nice when it's started, when you're like in the middle of the trend. It's nice to go ahead and use it. I'm still hoping, because the top line of the Keltners here is acting as a support line now, support level. I'm hoping for the price to actually keep up for now before it actually breaks it, which is soon as well. I got a feeling. Also, there is an indication. Let's be honest. In the MACD, there's an indication for a price to go down soon. We have time to use this. As you can see, we have time for it to make the profit, but in the bigger picture, I would go ahead for the next one. I would go ahead and put a couple of minutes and a put option here for the next option. So you can see the MACD is showing it. The Keltner is still in the, the Keltner is still in the overbought area, but as we know, this doesn't last too long. Okay guys, we're gonna stop here, and make sure to like, subscribe and comment if you do enjoy the content. Let me know if you do. And also guys, don't forget about the description to this video with all the useful info, with the invitation to the Telegram group, which is really cool. Me and my team, we share years of experience there, and you can profit from that. Also, the signals that we share there are making people earn some money. So yeah, check it out. And yeah, see you next time. All the best. Good luck. Bye bye.